We're going to be working to solve some word problems using addition and subtraction involving length, including tape diagrams and equations. So remember, you're always checking to make sure the units are the same. We know about inches, feet, and yards. So if you're working within the same unit, that's fine. You can just go ahead and do it. But if something's in inches and they're asking for it in feet, you're going to have to do some extra work, so it's important you pay close attention. In our first problem, it says Mr. Ramos has knitted 19 inches of a scarf he wants to be 1 yard long. How many more inches of his scarf does he need to knit? Well, here he's talking about inches. Here he's talking about yards. So you need to think, he has 19 inches. How many inches is 1 yard? You need to figure that out first. Remember, a yard is 3 feet. How many inches is 3 feet? So here you do need to do some converting. Down here it says in the 100-yard race, Jackie has run 76 yards. How many more yards does he need to run? Well, they're asking for yards. The answer is in yards. You can just go ahead and do the math. Frankie has a 64-inch piece of rope and another piece that is 18 inches shorter than the first. What is the total length? They're asking for it in inches. They're giving you information in inches. You can just go ahead and do the work. Maria has 96 inches of ribbon. She uses 36 inches to wrap a small gift and 48 inches to wrap a large gift. How much does she have left? They're asking for your answer in inches. They gave you info in inches. You can go ahead and just do the math. The total length of all 3 sides of the triangle is 96 feet. The triangle has 2 sides that are the same length. One of the sides equals 40 feet. What is the length of the side that's not equal? Okay, this one's going to be kind of tricky, so I'm going to walk you through it. All right. 2 sides are the same. We're going to go say that this side and this side are the same. One of these sides is 40 feet. So if this is 40 feet, this one also has to be 40 feet. So 40 plus 40 would give you something. And then you need to figure out how much this is to equal 96. This could be a little trickier. You might need an adult's help with this one. The length of one side of a square is 4 yards. So if you drew a square, I can't draw one here. Still can't draw one. If you have a square, one side is 4 yards. How much is all the sides together? You'd write your answer down there. So make sure you're thinking carefully, making sure you're thinking if you're working in the right unit, do you have to change units? And then also thinking carefully about if you're adding or subtracting.